Good day everyone. For today's video lesson, we will tackle about or we will discuss about the difference and similarities of CK12.org and PhET simulation. So here, we will open the CK12.org. Here is the CK12.org. Here in CK12, it is more on textbooks and it focuses on STEM. So now, to confirm that, we can ask directly the CK12, do you focus on STEM? And as what you are seeing, it is an example of CK12 responding to our questions. So it means it has an AI that we can use if we have something like clarifications or questions that we want to ask about the CK12. So we can use this to help us navigate where should we go. And here in CK12, if we press here, we can see what the variety of lessons that we can have here in CK12.org. We have conventional math, science, FlexLets, English, social studies, and more. And we can also explore. Here in Explore, there are so many textbooks, and it has also webinars. And we can also be we can also switch to being a teacher. If we still find it hard to navigate, we can also tap this help so that this site or CK12.org will help us to how to use this type of website. And now if we will go to PhET simulation. I have an app for PhET simulation, so we'll now directly go on it. Here in PhET simulation, its similarities, the similarities between PhET simulation and CK12.org is this PhET simulation and CK12.org focuses on STEM or on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. We can have variety of choices here in PhET simulation on what to simulate. So now the difference between the PhET simulation and CK12.org is clearly PhET simulation focuses solely on simulations. We can see here, for example, this balloons and static electricity. We have the freedom to do whatever we want, but it has no textbook that says why it happened, why is that, because it is solely an simulation. So it is on us how to interpret what happened. Unlike to CK12, they are more on textbooks, and they have also prepared videos on them so that we could understand more about this about the topic that we want to know. But in PhET simulation naman, it is very convenient for us to visualize more about physics and the interactions between two objects, like what we have just example kanina. At doon naman sa CK12 is more on, dito naman sa CK12 is more on text siya. Meron siya mga textbook. For example, if you have one in physics, we are now in physics. Here we have textbook. Also, if we can also chat with using WhatsApp app, and we have this overview. We have introduction to physics. Ito yung mga topics niya na nandito. But in CK12, though napakalente ng mga textbooks na pwede nating ma-use, wala siyang what we call the simulation to better visualize the things that we are learning. At ito na but the CK12, it has a video that we can use to understand more about the topic we are studying. And in PhET simulation naman, As I said, as I reiterate, that it is solely more on simulation. And that is all for our video lessons for today. I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching.